Hi. While everyone is talking about AI, most companies are still confused how to actually use AI in their product. Most companies are just building API wrappers, and this is not a good business, good way. You must master AI at its core. Hi, myself Gaurav. I am into AI from last 11 years, and I am consulting a few companies right now to actually infuse AI in their products like biotech, accounts, ERPs, and more. And to master recent upgradations in AI, I make weekend projects. Right now, I'm making an AI-based audio video editor. I shared last version of this project as a notebook. It's an open source, and right now we will see the progress of that video progress right now in this video. So let's follow the presentation. So Movie Maker is my weekend project, fully fledged AI based audio video music editor, fully local with all the local models. So let's see what are the okay, I think that's good. Okay, so it's an end-to-end video generation tool. So from a single prompt idea to complete editable video with the background visuals and text overlays. It's fully modular architecture. It's initially for just a notebook. Right now it's taking a shape right now. So you can easily add it or AI models for each product, and system is designed for extensions, dynamic model discovery. So you just create a single file for a new feature and just drop in the folder and the system will pick up right now. And okay, a dual generation workflow, so you can create image to videos and text to videos. Character consistency, yes, we are working on this thing. Right now we are using IP adapters, not the LoRa or something, but that is in line right now, or control it that are in plan. And the interactive dashboard that we'll see right now in action, like where you can edit scripts, regenerate audio, modify visual prompts, and track everything. And it's a stateful, so anytime you close your product and open, you can start from where your laptop right now. So if you have generated a few images and videos and you change some prompt, the system understands and picks up from there only. And then it's like multi-language voice generation, voice cloning, all things are there. Back question. So next, okay, we start up the app and show the, okay, let's work at that. This thing. There we go. So there are some few projects. Let's see. First,
in the heart of the mountains, the snow-capped peaks tower above us.
Yes, you guys are able to
breathtaking vistas of icy glaciers.
Okay. So this is like image to video. So the system first created image and then image to video. Then this is incomplete progress. This is complete product. This is again about nature. I was making
Spring has arrived and the world is awakened by the fragrance. The birds fills the air as
I was making some video, and then I think Krishna and Radhika.
Shri Krishna, the embodiment of love and compassion, a gentle breeze caressed his divine.
Okay, this is image to video. This is okay, text to video. Okay, so this is the initial product. Let's see how the system works. So let me stop everything right now and start from very scratch. So I'm just starting the application. Okay, and this is the screen. So when you start the application, first time it asks your system GPU, RAM, and RAM. I have given it. So right now I'm on RTX 4090 with 64 GBs of RAM, i9. Okay. So when you want to create a product, you define your project. You want to define your image to video or text to video line. So if you say image to video, what text to speech model you want to use? These are all modular. Right now I've created one module for everything. What languages it support? Okay. Then what model you want to use for LLM? Right now I'm using Zephyr 7 billion. It's a decent model right now. Image to text to image models. So two modules I have created for this T2I. Juggernaut, I like this, and it also said that it takes subject consideration. So when I say subject, it's not LoRa right now, it's the IP adapter. We'll discuss everything. And the SDLX doesn't take characters right now, we'll see everything. And then to convert image to video, we have two things right now. Then we'll give project title, prompts, we'll create something right now, and then you have the characters to define your project. So if you don't have sufficient RAM, let's say you have 8 GB of RAM, then the models are automatically changed based on your thing. So if you want to create a system where people can contribute, or the companies can give the production grade versions for them, the models to customers. Okay, let's back to my version. Okay, here is beautiful. Okay, so if you have selected text to video, then obviously LLM, and then text to video thinks what you want to create. Now this also tells that individual model how many maximum size video it can generate in one go. That comes handy later, definitely. Okay, let's understand the module. Okay, back to the presentation. So modules, understand this whole project is made by modules. So module is nothing but just a file in one of the segment. So LLM module is responsible to generate script, narrations, and visual prompts. Then we have TTS module that's responsible to generate narration to speech, and T2I obviously text to image based on visual prompt. I2V image to video, T2V direct text to video, T2M this is under construction right now, under development. Generate music for background or music album, something like that. And each module itself defines that how much VRAM it requires. Now the best part is, let's say you want to use 2.1 and 14 billion module you cannot use on 4090 directly. It's required 35 GB of RAM. But anyone can create a quantized version of that module, just give it to users and anyone can use it. So it is very easy for people to create the modules. Let me show a module. So a module is simple like a file that extends our own classes, a few functions, and that's it. You are good to go for any module. So that's what a module is. Okay, and then let's create a project now. So go back to the this. Okay, so let's create a project now. So we'll choose the image to video. Okay, let's move it here. Let's move this guy here. Let's create a project now, image to video, and for text to image, this is just one model. For text to image, we'll use Juggernaut because it takes subject and it's important. I will use LTX. Okay, it says it does not take from just image and can generate maximum 2 seconds of video. It depends on what kind of project you are making, what sort of model and quantization will help you. Right now I'm taking this one because it takes 2 subjects and take plus minus prompts. Right now, let's say a demo. Few cats live. Let's keep everything. That's it. And let's add in character. So I want to give it character as cat. And let's add our cat here. Okay, everything is set. And now let's see this. Okay, to generate images if you want to. Do we want to add the text, narration text at the final? You can change anything later on also. So let's create a project. Okay, audio is required. Let us sample audio. So if you look at here, the model is loaded. So what it's doing, it's making a script for this thing, and we'll see once it starts generating, we'll understand what is happening inside it. So it's making the script right now. It is, can I say it is agentic? It's not agentic, it's an AI workflow right now, but we have planned for agentic. Okay, so the project, what you are working, which models you are using, the characters, you can add, edit characters even after the things are done. Your assembly things, reference speaker audio, you can change and generate again. So you can generate, insert any scene in between. So we have created like kind of 4 scenes and narrations. So I can click to generate audio. This manual process, but if you don't want to do it the like manual process, we can just like kind of say, okay, go ahead and make the complete video from here. So, and it's all like you can do anything. So let's start right now here and let's see what's doing. Okay, the models are getting loaded now. So 1 second, now it's generating audio for this particular line. Okay, great. Should I pause this video? Okay. Now it's generating scenes for everything. So let's discuss how this thing is working. Presentation screen, is it visible? Okay, yeah, it's visible. So when a topic is given, the LLM module takes place and it generates script narration. Then every narration is given to TTS module and generates speech for that narration, or these narrations are actually the scenes. And then each audio, we find its length, like it's 16 seconds or 14 seconds or 10 seconds, whatever. And then the system generates that, okay, how many shots I need, because you remember every LLM can generate, every AI video model can generate 2 seconds, 4 seconds videos right now. If you go for frame pack, longer videos, but that's where coming right now. Okay, then it finds like, okay, how many shots you need. Then it generates prompts for each shots. And then once each shot is designed, either if you select text to video, it generates video for each prompt, or if it's images, generate image first and then the video, text to video. Now understand, many models which takes image to video does not take prompt. In that case, we can use a motion editors like for SDXL, but right now this is the way. Let's go back where. Yeah. Okay, so the chunks or shorts has been created for these all scenes. Okay, fair enough. Scene 4, it's just about to generate the chunks. Okay. For simplicity, what I can do, I can in fact anytime I can stop automatic process, do something and then start again, and everything starts from where you left off. So all the chunks has been created. Now if you see SGS XL pipeline has been loaded, and if you remember, we have given the cat as a scene reference. So the cat is passed to every scene. You can change multiple characters per scene. So it's a cat and dog thing. So you can cat in one, dog in second, cat and dog both. And why does it help? Because so this is our character, by the way, for reference. So the first image is generated. Okay, the video might not be good because I'm using the video recording and everything is going on. The video quality might not be good, but you can create anytime better. Let's understand. Let's see how is it. Well, not bad right now. So it is generating second image and third image, and this is going on. And this is a pretty decent speed right now. Okay. Now what happens? Why this character is? Let's stop it. So why this character is important? You have to understand, because if the thing, let's open some old project. So this we have like fluffy on. Okay. Dance for ad. This does not have cat. So anything, if I remove the cat things here, okay, and let's regenerate the image. Okay, so the system doesn't know what the fluffy is. We needed this narration. We had a shot for fluffy. What is the fluffy? The system doesn't know. So what happened here? The system is creating fluffy as anything, but the character consistency, it is again, I'm saying it's not exactly the character consistency, but still the system always have an idea what we are talking about. So this is the character things. You can have multiple characters. The system is still under development. So let's see what it means. Then, okay, so we are back to our character. So next we, okay, let's go to the presentation scene. Next we need, okay, text to video module. Okay, let's see the text to video module also, how it works. Module. And, okay, let's make another project. This time we'll go for text to video. This is LTX. This is faster. Mine is beautiful, but it's just slow. Let's say LTX. And the title is again this. Since this model does not take subject, you have to understand you can use only those sort of videos that does not require any consistency for now. Once we develop the LoRa's into it, maybe you can do it. Okay, and the audio, we want to make narration, and that's okay. Let's start this thing now. The best part is you can open any previous project, just change some prompt, and when you change the prompt, the image and related video gets deleted. You immediately go create image and just start automate. It will reassemble the video. So all the old videos plus the new video in proper place are generated. Okay. So we got this much text to video. We have 4 scenes. Let's make it faster. So just 2 scenes right now and automate the process. It's modding the TTS, so to create the audio of that. I pause the video recording. So 2 videos now, it's making chunks. It's not that slow right now. We can optimize the code like right now. Every time the model is getting offloaded and loaded again, that we can we do like create all the images at once when the model is already loaded? We are still thinking how to make it fast. There is chunks for this, and then we have started 8-bit quantization LTX video. 10 shards are loaded. Let's wait for just one video to get generated, and that will understand. Let me pause it. Well, it just takes 30 seconds, but it's still let it go for it. Else I can show you guys here next. Okay. By the time it is working, the next I have to show how we can open any existing project which is complete, and then we can just reassemble things. Okay, I'll try to make it faster. Okay, so this is the prompt. This is the video generated, which is actually not bad. Let's stop it. It will just finish this thing, but it's okay. So whenever you have a complete project, anytime you want to do something, let's not do it here. Any complete project, okay. So we have multiple scenes here, and let's pick just 2 scenes. How many scenes we have? Just 2 scenes. Okay, that's beautiful. So whenever you say browse in desert. It understands that you generate the image. So you can play with the prompt, the visual and audio prompt, the visual prompt. You generate the image, click multiple times, generate the videos, and once you are, I don't know what it makes right now. There is our rose. Okay, because we have given the character Krishna, it understands the in desert we are talking about this thing, this thing rose, but in respect to this character, if we need that, no, we don't want the character here temporarily, just remove and try to regen. I have not tried it. Let's try. Then it does not have an IP adapter. In that case, what character we have here? Okay, in this image we have as a character, and the rose in as well. So it doesn't have the character right now. And generate the video. I think it's SDV. So Stable Video Diffusion does not take this prompt, so it will move it like how it wants. That's right. I'll try to like kind of edit these waiting areas in the videos later. Right now, let it go. It's a decent time. Let me pause. Almost done. Okay, not bad. For the rest of things, you can again go. So once I have changed something, you can simply go on the top, go on the automatic mode, and this thing. Because everything is already done, you change some prompt or you do something, it's just making a final video. Even if you want, sometimes you can just change the narration. It will remove all the chunks and all the videos, all the audio. You regenerate audio, regenerate chunks, and then or you just change the narration, and once everything is removed, you just start automatically. So it will just create the final video now. Almost done. So this is your final reel. Okay. Just done. Okay, let's check if the rose part is there or not. Where was it? There must be some.
Up as the sun rose higher.
Here we go. And if you see this is not proper, just go change the prompt and regenerate everything. So let's see presentation, what is next. Okay, so the next part that we are about to do is like text to music. So I'm about to add another TTM module that will generate background music, or if you want to get the whole music video album by your own. Obviously it's not a replacement of VO or Sora, but it's fun learning everything, how things are working. And then we have additional module support. So I'm working for GPU poor guys to GPU rich guys, and character consistency we are working on the LoRa's, and you can train your own LoRa's, like given few images you can be trained a LoRa, so two characters can be consistent, not as an IP editor but as in LoRa or control net, depth focus, whatever. Then advanced editing features like multi-layer timeline editing, like how we see in standard video editors. Can we make it like, right now it's just a Streamlit, but can we make it like fast API and TXView? That's better. Then we have production infrastructure and planning, like how do we distribute models, model caching, queues. Can we add modules that are paid ones for anyone? How do we do that? I don't know. Right now we are thinking. We are working on like script annotation system. So I say like @Krishna went to @Dwarika. So and the system knows what Krishna is, what was Dwarika is, and you can combine the scenes that, and then lip syncing and masking. This you may look in the next video. So I think you guys understood what I'm making, and it's a fun project. So it's a question for all of you guys to like kind of should we go with the open source sing it. I think we should open source this module so everyone can learn and understand. But once the things are complete, I hope you guys like how we are making it. So your encouragement is more than welcome. Thank you.